Welcome back to another video. Today we have the hacks are live. Thanks to Joe the Tool Guy. Make sure you guys go check him out. Say hi. Go and subscribe to Joe the Tool Guy's channel. Guys, and big shout out to the Deal Team 6. You guys know them. Deal Team 6, you guys can give them a follow at the Facebook group. Find out all the latest and greatest deals. Guys, and also don't forget to help this channel out by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers platform. My subscribers and likes. I'm at the middle of work here at the job site. If you guys hear sound or dogs barking, there's a few dogs here in the neighborhood. Guys, we got the hacks here. I already added some of these to the cart. What you do is basically you go down here. It says if it qualifies for the buy more, save more. You got the 179 there. Says buy more, save more, just below the price. You got the buy more, save more. It says save up to $150 off the items. You got spent $2.99, get 30 off. You get spent $3.99, you get 80 off. You spent $4.99, you get 150 off. So that's basically how it works. Obviously, the $4.99 is going to get you the better deal. All right, so you go here to the cart. I already tried filming this video, and it just a lot of people kept calling me from work and stuff like that. All right, so we got this. The most you can save on these items is 30%. So just keep that in mind. Some of these are good deals. Some of these are, you do have to watch out, and you do have to get it as close to the 30% as possible, or to that $4.99 amount or $500 amount. All right, so you got this angle grinder here from $1.99 down to $145. Not the greatest deal. We've seen this for close to $100. Let's check this out. All right, so this one's a good deal. This one's actually a pretty good deal. This one's the ratchet. This is the 12-volt lithium brushless high speed. Yeah, this is one of the newer ratchets that just barely came out. The high speed ratchets. 179 down to 130. That is a really good deal on this one. So the way the hacks work, I don't know if you guys know, but the hack works is that you buy all these tools and then you can return the tools that you don't want if that's the way you want to do it. Obviously, you want to pick the better deals, the better tools, so you don't have to do that. And you can keep all three tools. That is the goal. All right, so in this one's the, what is this? The Search M12 Search. Like Joe the Tool Guy said, I'm just going to copy his words. We haven't seen this before. We haven't seen this before here, especially a good deal like this on the M12 version. This is $179 down to $130. Guys, buy more, save more. I'll leave his link. I don't know if he has an affiliate link. Joe the Tool Guy has an affiliate link to this link, or somebody else, but I'll leave the same link down below in the description section of this video. Thanks again. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and I'll see you guys on the next one.